Cek cek cek. Halo 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 halo.
10.000 dari tes. Pesan, ini hanya tes notifikasi.
Oke, notifikasi aman ya. Tapi internet masih tidak bagus soalnya tadi sempat hujan lagi sih. Jadi mohon maaf saja kalau misalnya gameplaynya rada nge-lag ya. Karena memang internet saya tidak memungkinkan untuk live streaming hari ini. Dari siang sih sebenarnya, dari tadi siang sampai sekarang masih belum membaik juga, masih merah di sini keterangan internetnya. Ya tapi nggak apa-apa, kita langsung mulai aja. Seperti yang saya bilang, kalau misalnya nge-lag ya atau live streamingnya putus, ya boleh di reload ya, di refresh aja Pak. Oke, jadi halo semuanya, selamat malam. Kita kembali lagi melanjutkan series PSM Makassar Career Mode yang sekarang udah masuk di episode ke-32. Dan untuk hari ini kita bakal bermain melawan Al Ittihad, lawan yang cukup kuat pastinya. Kita benar-benar harus all out di sini. Dan ini adalah laga yang penting banget karena ACL dan semifinal pula. Jadi tentu saja saya pengen menang dan memberikan kado buat PSM untuk perpisahan di musim terakhir kita. Oke, jadi mungkin langsung gas aja ya pertandingan terakhir. Pertandingan pertama maksudnya. Ada Tani Arhan, oke. Main muda kita sih. Gak apa-apa sih, kita buang aja dah. Jelek masalahnya. Siapa lagi nih? Handoko Jayadi. 56. Saya buang aja juga nih. Kita nggak terlalu butuh RWB. Apa nih? Ada Zulkifli Syukur. Oke. Halo Rizky TO ya, halo bro. Kaisan Syafiq, halo juga. Niki Ori, waalaikumsalam. Kemudian Aksa Gaming, waalaikumsalam juga. Muhammad Sidan, halo juga. Halan ke City. Resmi kah? Halan ke City. Kok Dalang, halo juga. Welcome. Wah, ngeri sih kalau misalnya Erling Braut Haaland ke City. Bakal menakutkan lini depan. Tapi well, Manchester City butuh striker tipikal seperti Haaland sih. Selama ini kalau kita lihat strikernya City jarang ada yang, bukan jarang, emang udah lama tidak ada striker seperti yang punya postur yang seperti Haaland gitu loh. Yang punya speed. Kalau speed sih iya ada speednya, cuman untuk postur yang ideal seperti Haaland itu untuk seorang striker di Manchester City udah lama saya nggak lihat. Narsi, waalaikumsalam. Yuk, selamat bergabung semuanya. Ya, disikat dong. Ya ampun, baru juga mulai live streaming. Disikat kita, Pak. Aduh, bingung saya. Halo. Ya. Ya ampun. Berkali internetnya nih. Lagi tidak bersahabat. Rinaldi saya bawa enggak ya, Trusty aja sih. Jadi kita bakal ganti Alkan juga kalau misalnya stamina-nya habis, atau mungkin kita mainkan Trusty dulu ya, nggak apa-apa sih. Soalnya ini pertandingan yang sangat-sangat aduh. William Plim sayangnya nggak bisa ya. Ya udahlah, Taisei kita bawa. Hari Yuda tetap kita mainkan. Dan Rashid juga, aduh, stamina bro. Kita pakai jersey UW dulu, PSM kasih yang ya. Enggak. Maksud saya PSM yang home, away, Al Ittihad yang home. Seperti Al Ittihad ini benar-benar siap ya, squadnya ini benar-benar rapih. Kemudian juga untuk stamina-nya ya oke semua. Luar biasa. Oke, kita gas. Gak bisa. Di 60 fps nggak bisa internet saya. Jadi mohon maaf nih kalau misalnya nge-lag ya.
I'm your match commentator Derek Ray, and ready to provide expert analysis alongside me is Stuart Robson. Only 4 teams are left in this cup competition. We're at the semi-final stage, and this is the first leg. It's Al Ittihad versus Sarpsborg.
This should be a great tactical battle. Which team is going to have the courage to try and win the game, and which team will be fearful of losing? The game plan of each coach will certainly be key today, Derek.
And this is how the hosts will begin the game today.
Well, in this shape, their 2 holding midfield players will be key today. If they can get on the ball and dictate the play, protect the 2 centre-backs, it will then allow the attacking players to show their creative quality.
Halo Simon, welcome. Satriananda, halo juga. Welcome semuanya, selamat bergabung. Selamat bergabung di live streaming yang jaringan ini ngaco. Oke, kita mulai kick off babak pertama antara Ittihad versus PSM. Yo, mohon maaf, saya lupa mengganti scoreboardnya. Kok jadi BRI Liga 1 ini? Ya Cel, kita pakai ini aja sih, video ya. Kita coba video. Ini bukan mola lagi. Almaki. Coronado. Ishi. Wow. Rizky, oke. Nice Rizky Eka tadi. Yup. Let's go. Rizky Eka angkat ke tengah. Yudo. Sama, aduh.
Well, it is a significant milestone for the manager. He brings up a century of matches in charge of the club, Stuart.
Well, he deserves a lot of credit, doesn't he? They play good football, they're well structured, and in the main, very effective. Let's hope he carries on for another 100 games.
Senawi Mangko Alam. Senawi tidak cermat tadi. Arhan, Elkan, good. Rashid, balik lagi ke. Dipotong tadi, bro. Berbahaya. Berbahaya, cuy. Al Ittihad diundang PSM ke Indonesia. Waduh. Oke, rumah kick memang luar biasa sih. Chelsea musim depan bakal lebih seru lagi, Bang. Yoi. Kalau deal sih Haaland ke City gila. Oh ya, kalau nggak salah si Adeyemi ke ini ya? Bener nggak sih? Ke Dortmund. Farhan, good job. Ya, koneksinya masih nge-lag, bro. Nice. Rizky Eka. Mantap, Bang. Let's go.
Well, here's the replay, and just look how quickly they break forward once they win the ball.
Nice.
And then through on goal, he just goes for power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a great finish.
Ball, mantap. Jadi football.
Nil then. What a shocking pass, really. Well, he's thwarted him almost effortlessly.
Out.
A really sumptuous ball.
Yang KT. Damn, rumah kick lagi-lagi. Waalaikumsalam Ibnu. Welcome. Orang mana, Bang? Orang Makassar. Gila. Aduh, tolonglah jaringan lah ya. Jangan kayak gini dong.
Let's see about the delivery.
Oh shit.
Wonderful header. Excellent goalkeeping. Another corner, can they take advantage of this one? Now sending it in. Not the best clearance. Oh, what's he gone and done? Decent position. This could square the game.
Wey, lagi-lagi rumah kick. Bener-bener luar biasa, doi. Nah, kita counter nih. Ayo. Lalu buru-buru tadi PSM. Damn, ramai rumah lo. Lihat itu. Bukan ramai rumah kick, Wildansyah rumah kick nih. Tuh. Soalnya ada pemain asli Indonesia namanya rumah kick juga kan, jadi kepikiran ke situ saya. Kalau ini kan memang pemain dari Youth Academy kita. Di real life nggak ada, doi. Rumah kick lagi-lagi. Gokil sekali rumah kick, bro. Tidak tergantikan memang kiper kita yang saat ini. Oke, let's go. Kasih ke Rizky Eka. Rizky Eka coba lari dia sisi kanan dan ada siapa namanya? Syakiti, Shanoti.
So a throw in here.
Sama. Nice. Oh, kosong itu tengah itu. Yudo di aduh terlalu ke dalam. Nggak masuk. Astaga, siapa pas ya? Aduh. Sayang sekali, bro. Alan kalau udah beneran deal ke City berarti ngikutin jejak ayahnya, Bang, membela Citizen. Oh, oke. Ya bakal gede banget sih transfernya itu. Kalau misalnya bener-bener jadi ke City.
Niakate.
Ya KC,
Oh,
aduh.
great vision.
Oke.
Can they make one of these passes count?
Ah,
What a shame that he couldn't find the target from there.
saya pikir tadi udah mendingan jaringannya. Soalnya pas nonton di YouTube tadi lancar kok. Ternyata masih kayak gini aja deh. Elkan Bagat, Rusty. Kasih ke Rashid Bakri. Rizky Eka. Aduh.
Putting it back.
Apa yang terjadi, pemirsa?
And the emphasis is on creativity. Oh, sure.
Tidak, ois, rumah kick.
Well, it's been a while, but these fans are now coming
Good
to life.
job,
Can
rumah
they
kick,
equalise
bro.
here?
Lalu OP doi.
So the corner played into the box. Able to deal with the threat. Yusufu Niakate. Could play it in. Well, the referee has instructed the fourth official to put 2 minutes on the board. Niakate.
Waduh.
Will it be?
Wah, akhirnya kebobolan juga, bro.
Level again. No wonder they're excited.
Kevin Alfonso, selamat malam juga. Aduh, akhirnya kebobolan kita.
Well, here it is again, and I don't expect goalkeepers to save everything at their near post, but on this occasion, although it's a good strike, he should do better.
Igor Coronado.
That is that for the first half here. I think
Gila,
most
keren sih
fans
lihat
would
di
be
tribun gitu
pretty
kayak
happy with this man's
pakai jersey
display so
PSM
far.
semua.
Well, that's
Supporternya.
exactly what his team needed, because they weren't at their best in the first half, and once again it shows what a key player he is. Can they build on that in the second 45?
As anticipated, plenty of talking points so far, and now the second half is
Ayo
underway.
Mangko Alam. Rizky Eka. Oke,
Now with Tan.
Tanto Tan.
And the outcome is a free kick here.
Tama. Dari Tama.
Well, that's how they
Tidak.
hit them. Not quite accurate enough though.
Aduh, melenceng tadi ya. Oke, Rashid Bakri. Ya, Rizky Eka lagi, bro. Oke,
It's a well-timed
sama.
pass.
Kosong tengah tuh. Yudo. Oh,
In the lead again.
robek, Bang.
Fully deserved.
Gawangnya robek bro. Ya nge-lag karena jaringan gak bagus bro. Di ngambek yang di rumahnya.
Well, we won't get tired of watching this because the interplay around the box is wonderful and he makes the finish look so
Di
easy.
rumah
What a
ngambek
good
coy.
goal that is.
So there we have it, 2-1.
Bruno Henrique.
Ahmed Hegazi.
Nawi. Aduh,
And a
terjatuh
throw-in
dia.
forthcoming. So deciding to make a personnel change at this juncture.
Bisa jadi Gabriel Jesus yang bakal keluar dari City bang. Kalau Haaland gabung. Iya sih. Gak ada tempat kayaknya untuk di Gabriel Jesus kalau misalnya si Haaland join ke Manchester City.
Niakate. Losing possession. Now, counter-attacking
Oke,
possibilities here.
Paz. Oh ya, Mbappe ini tetap perpanjang kontrak di PSG ya?
Options at the back post here. And under pressure, that was a fine claim.
Al-Malki.
Al-Bishi.
Yo ampun.
Meaty but fair challenge. And it
Ya,
will be a throw-in.
kenapa bang baru live? Kemarin-kemarin sakit bro.
Over the touchline for a throw-in.
Yudo. Nice. Oh mantap.
Showing excellent
Sutanto.
vision. Well, the decision is offside.
Tidak.
He's bound to be a bit disappointed.
Aspi, kenapa Aspi? Aspi akan diizinkan pergi oleh Chelsea musim depan. Musim depannya lagi berarti 2023 gitu.
Al-Bishi. Niakate. And showing fine vision. Can he take them on
Yo,
and beat them? A chance to whip it in. Well, the threat was very real. Marvellous defending.
Ah, Aryudo, coba shooting, let's go.
He's made it a brace for himself. No
Mantap.
stopping him apparently.
Itu dia pemain kita yang cukup diragukan pas kita beli dari Arema. Bang, kenapa beli Yudo bang? Kenapa beli Yudo? Masih banyak striker lain tapi pada akhirnya ya polling menentukan Yudo bisa kita dapatkan di sini dan ternyata ya terbukti menurut saya sih berkontribusi dia. Bro, Persib main gak bro?
With the score at 3-1.
Kemarin Persib. Bruno Henrique.
Al-Bishi. Romarinho. That's a well-struck pass.
Ya ampun.
He's through here.
Ah,
Can he find the
tidak
net?
dong, jangan dong. Oke, rumah kick.
Tipped it out, fully stretched, somehow reaching it.
Berbahaya
They haven't
sekali.
seen too many chances, but the crowd sensing this could be a turning point. They need a goal here.
They take it short. Romarinho. That's That's a useful cross.
Oh,
And the
no.
keeper diving to thwart him.
Ngeri-ngeri.
They've decided that now is the time to go to the bench.
Oke, pergantian pemain untuk Etihad.
Short corner it is.
Lah, dapat pas go. Dicopet bolanya, Pak. Let's go. Lari, bro.
Just 10 minutes remaining here.
Asih pas, come on. Ya ampun.
Referee
Sit,
wasn't
jelas
going to let
kartu
that
tuh.
go.
Kartu lu.
In the event, just a talking to, but could easily
enggak.
have seen yellow.
Nggak kartu dong. Itu kaki kanannya dulu kena kaki, Pak, itu. Kena kakinya sih pas kaki kanannya. Kaki kirinya memang nyentuh bola, tapi lebih dulu kaki kanan tuh. Kena kakinya si pas, makanya pas jatuh. Kita ganti dulu lah ya menit-menit akhir nih. Di Tamas coba kesini ya. Dia saya jadikan RCM aja. Kemudian Rashid kita masukin si Marukawa. Yudo mungkin Sabi, Ferdinand ya. Enggak, Ferdinand. Jadikan Yudo dulu dah.
A decisive clearance it was.
Rusty. Good job. Masih ada. Aduh,
Well, nicely cut out. Now what can they do with the
Pemarinho.
applying vigorous pressure? And so
Good.
into the final 5 minutes. Space and time for the cross.
Astaga.
Once more unable to hang on to the ball.
Boleh masih ada di PSM, bro.
Now can they
Gak dijual
counter
dia.
clinically?
Kosong tengah itu.
Defenders need to cover.
Brengsek bener.
Not yet. Not quite yet. Still excitement left in the game.
Aduh.
Well, let's look at this again, Derek, because the transition when the ball changes hands is so quick, and then the finish is fairly simple in the end. That's a good goal.
Siapa nih namanya? Yosofu Niakate ya? Niakate.
Underway again, and we're being treated to plenty of goals. 3-2 at the moment. Well, the action is going to continue for a while yet. We will have 4 minutes of stoppage time.
Oke, 4 menit edit time. Aduh, ini tipis sih skornya. Ya, walaupun sekali lagi kita unggul gol away pastinya ya. Oke kah? Sama. Oke, good. Pas. Ya, siapa itu yang
Well, that is how to
terjatuh?
run at defenders.
Oke, pas, come on. Ayo, Mas, pas. Ya, tidak.
Thinking defensively.
Astaga.
The final whistle and the
Oke,
visitors
well, itu dia.
currently in control on the back of a lead
Kita menang
in this
sih.
first game.
3-2.
At this stage of the tournament, you'd take any lead going into that second leg. I tell you what, though, this
Wasit
tie is
buta
far from
map.
over. Very little to split between the two sides, and it's set up perfectly for round 2.
I
Parah.
don't think, Stuart, anyone can really quibble about what he put into the game.
Well, he looked a top-class player today. Every time he touched the ball, he was a threat, and he worked so hard for the team as well. What a good display that
Wih,
was.
ada Mas Renaldo. Halo, Mas. Welcome. Full time 3-2 ya, menang ya, dan tentu saja membanggakan banget menang lawan si Al Ittihad. Tapi biasanya nih, saya udah hafal AI dari FIFA nih. Biasanya di leg kedua ini bakal kuat banget sih Etihad. Oh, Hari Yudo man of the match nih. 2 gol. 8,4 ya, kemudian Rizky Eka 8,3. Dan 14 shot dari Etihad. Ush. Berarti save-nya berapa nih? 9. Kiper PSM, Wildansyah Rumakik, bro. 9 save. Luar biasa sekali. Gokil banget. Tapi lah ya kita hadiri post match-nya karena kayak saya kasih, aduh, man of the match sebenarnya Wildansyah Rumakik sih. Ngeri banget.
في البداية نعرب عن سعادتنا لتواجدك معنا للإجابة على بعض الأسئلة.
Berarti Gabriel Jesus mengganti Auba jika Auba dipermanenkan sama Barca, Bang. Ya, kayaknya sih Barca, kalau kita lihat performa Aubameyang ini kayaknya sih Barca harus permanenkan Auba deh. Di musim ya dipermanenkan gitu. Saya cukup suka lihat Aubameyang di permainannya di Barcelona. Ya, jujur lebih menonjol sih di Barcelona dibanding pada saat dia di Arsenal.
من جديد نشكرك على هذا الوقت.
Oke, Zulkifli Syukur kenapa nih antum? Sorry. Ya. Aduh, siapa lagi cedera nih? Veritama ya, Lord Veritama, tapi 5 hari doang sih, nggak apa-apa. Nggak masalah. Oh, lawan PSMS Medan ini, bro. Berarti kita rubah lagi ke BRI Liga 1. Scoreboardnya kita ganti dulu. Oke. National squad lagi ya. Ini untuk konten timnas Indonesia kita sih. Kayaknya udah bagus squadnya ini. Untuk friendly match kan. Tapi kayaknya saya mau ganti ini deh, si Lili Pali masuk. Soalnya rating Lili Pali juga cukup bagus ya, 70 tinggi. Dan jujur aja sih nggak terlalu bagus sih Spaso. Beda sama yang di PES. Spaso di PES itu OP ya. Kayak gini aja squadnya. Karena kita mau langsung masuk ke pertandingan kedua menghadapi PSMS Medan. Aman sih. Untuk di BR Liga 1 dan untuk PSMS Medan ini terancam terdegradasi. Jadi dia harus menang juga di sini kalau memang mau keluar dari zona merah. Habis itu ada lawan PSS Sleman. Wah. Berat ya. Report. Kita ke skill move aja dulu. Wait playmaker kita kasih. Kayaknya udah nggak ada lagi. Padat sih jadwal kita berikutnya. Tuh. Tapi ini timnas ada 2 ya. Ada lawan Persija juga. Berat nih boy. Oke, next di sini kita bakal coba Yudo tetap main, Rashid Bakir kita ganti dengan si siapa ini? Kita pakai satu. Sih ini. Ntar Ilmansyah masuk dulu ya. Zulkifli juga masuk ganti Asnawi. Edgar Amping juga. Renaldi naik, Safik ganti siapa nih? Renaldi juga masuk ya, ganti Elkan Bagot, kemudian Aaron Gutawa juga. Abdurrahman boleh naik atau Abdurrahman aja starter nih. Di kiri kasih Marukawa ya Sabi, di kanan Rizka Promsiwar. Rizka. Taufik kita bawa juga. Paz. Rian Sinaga tetap kita bawa. Aduh. Oke. Agak kesulitan kita nih. Karena pemain masih sedikit. Di reserve ini sedikit banget. Zulkifli bisa center back, nggak ada yang bisa ini ya, lagi ya. Tapi bisa sih 95 aja turun kalau gitu. Tapi di camp Gavin bisa RM juga ternyata ya. Kalau Marukawa di sini maju dikit lagi Marukawanya. Gak apa-apa sih, ya udahlah biarin aja si Marukawa situ ya. Saya bakal coba Marinus atau Marinus sini Yudo kita kasih di kiri ya. Kayak gini. Sebenarnya dia bisa CM si Safik ini tuh. Merah dia ya. Parah, turun 4 pak. Udah lah, nggak apa-apa, kita coba dia di camp juga. Soalnya jarang juga kita mainkan dia di camp. Jokes kita gas. Auba menemukan performa terbaiknya di Barca. Arsenal kurang, ya hilang betul dia di Barcelona, di Arsenal maksudnya. Oke, ini dia. Halo Bang, Persib kapan lagi? Ya nanti dulu bro. Soalnya udah kemarin Persib 3 episode. Sekarang gilirannya PSM, besok gilirannya si Witan Sulaiman, lusanya itu giliran si Road to Glory. Baru balik lagi ke Persib. Ideal, welcome bro, waalaikumsalam.
Is Stuart Robson, and today could be a significant one for the travelling fans who are hoping their team will secure the league title. It's Argentinos Juniors versus Sarpsborg.
Oke, ini dia kedua tim sekarang sudah masuk ke lapangan. Ya, dan hujan cuy, hujan malam hari dingin, masuk ke angin ntar.
Here is the lineup for the hosts today.
Well, the wingers will be key here. They have to choose the right time to give width and the right time to come infield to support the centre forward. If they can do that, they're a potent front three. No doubt about that.
Oke, PSMS Medan formasinya 4-3-3. Rizal Feli, halo Bang, apa kabar? Ya baik bro, alhamdulillah baik. Persija versus Persis. Rans Cilegon Dewa. Kalau Rans sama Dewa udah pernah saya bikin sih gameplaynya. Tinggal Persija sama Persija sama Persis kayaknya belum. Selamat malam. Ada Octario Sandi. Halo, halo Pak. Sudah lama saya tidak mampir di sini. Ya, karena saya juga udah lama nggak live sih. Sekitar 2 bulanan ya. Dari bulan 2 udah mulai, akhir bulan 2 itu udah mulai berantakan live streamingnya. Bulan 4 kalau nggak salah, bulan 4 April itu sama sekali nggak live sebulan. Ini baru mulai live lagi nih. Ya, baru mulai live langsung disikat sama ini rumah ya. Langsung jelek jaringannya. Makanya live streamingnya, gameplaynya ini nggak mulus. Karena nggak bisa masuk di 60 fps. Gak sanggup.
Now a decent position. Perfect tackle. And so a look at the table, and while they have time on their
Kayak Safik,
side with a
kita
win
coba nih
today,
lihat
Stuart,
Safik gimana
they'll
nih
be
boy.
crowned champions.
Ya, wih baik, aduh bagus padahal.
They've done for most of the season. Get the win
Umpan
and then
dari
they can celebrate.
Marinus.
They certainly deserve it.
Chance
Good
here.
job. Ya ampun,
Not to
miss.
be. An opportunity
Aduh,
wasted
Marukawa
early.
gimana sih?
Well, maybe it's come a little bit too early, Derek, but that's a wasteful finish.
Ya ampun, tipis bener. Halo, Cool and Toxic Channel. Bang tidak minat nanti datangkan Ciro Alves. Enggak sih, soalnya striker kita udah pada bagus. Dan ini juga udah musim terakhirnya PSM ya, jadi udah nggak perlu lagi sepertinya kita datangkan pemain. Kalaupun ada ya saya mau dari pemain. Aduh. Kusali Zregar. Berbahaya PSMS. Ih. Abdurrahman bagus banget tadi. Yudo. Taufik kasih trubol ke Marinus Manewar. Let's go Marinus. Walaupun tidak secepat Yudo tapi bisa dong mencetak gol. Come on. Marinus Manewar yang belum real PS juga.
Can they now see this through?
Aduh.
Just look at this again. The speed of counter-attack is so impressive, and there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
Let's go bro. Come on. Di war. Dan Marinus Manewar yang mencetak gol pertama di pertandingan kedua kita. Ilham Fathoni. Hafiful Huda.
Rahman.
Okay, out.
Splendid tackle and a throw in coming up. And just losing control of the ball, and it will be a throw in.
Oh,
Good visualization
Hari
and
Yudo.
execution.
Angkat bro. Yudo
Well clattered away.
Ya.
High
Joko
quality
Susilo
defending.
tadi berhasil melakukan intercept.
It's a good looking
Bagus
ball.
sekali Ilham Fatoni. Berbahaya untuk PSM. Fatoni. Ya.
Finish.
Mabuk juga doi. Lihat. Tendangannya miring kayak gitu, bro. Kapan lagi lihat Supacai main di PSMS Medan? Iya, ada di PSMS Medan dia. Serius bener kayaknya PSMS ini. Pengen bertahan di Liga 1 nih. Tapi ya posisinya berbahaya sekarang. Terancam terdegradasi. Ah, libet
High
juga.
quality defending. Rahman, and the referee is quite rightly letting it go.
Gozali.
And scope for them to produce something exciting. Well, he's thwarted him almost effortlessly.
Okay, Priska, come on. Let's go.
Opportunity in the wide area.
Masuk ke tengah. Angkat. Ada Joko Susilo lagi-lagi.
And it crossed the touchline, so a throw in here. And the cross is very much on.
Oke, yuk kapten, come on. Coba syuting.
Tips in. Still
Di
possibilities.
tepis.
And thumped away.
Hidayat.
Well, that save just
Mau
about
kemana
fits
Anda
the
Hidayat?
but they have to pose more of a threat at the other end.
Bodies
Aduh.
forward and the
Masih Hidayat. Kosong tengah itu.
crossed into the penalty
Berbahaya. Erwin Gutawa,
area
nice.
completely. Well, they can keep possession now.
Oke, Safik. Good. Marinus. Zulkifli Syukur.
Space afforded
Ayo
him.
mas. Susah lari orang tua mah. Mantap sekali. Wih, aduh.
Spot on with that
Sedikit
chance.
lagi. Come on bro. Lampa Tony.
Good use of the
Tidak.
ball, but can they
Tendi.
trouble the defense?
Berbahaya Hilmansyah. Nice.
Keeper, impressive.
Yo Renaldi. Taufik kasih lari lagi. Marinus Manewar, come on.
Into the advanced position.
Handballs tadi itu.
Will he find
Masuk
the
bro.
net?
Oke.
And a goal! And it
Kapten kita bisa gol.
comes to seal on the title.
Well, that should be it, Derek. Surely they can't let it slip from
Let's
here.
go. 2-0.
Well, as we see it again, he was
Signal
never
belum
gonna miss it,
bersahabat,
was he?
iya.
That's a really simple finish
Bang
in the
saya
end.
off duluan ya karena besok kuliah masuk jam 7. Oke, siap. Wah, bagus juga nih bajunya pelatih kita nih sekarang ya. Hujan-hujan pakai baju kayak gitu.
So 2-0 now. And we will have just one additional minute.
Abdurrahman, Taisei Marugawa, Yudo. Safik lagi, Kak. Wasit, ya
Well,
ampun.
there's the half-time whistle,
Bisa
and
satu
it's all
serangan ini,
going
Bang.
swimmingly. They're just 45
Belum
minutes
babak
away
kedua
from
kelar.
being crowned champions today.
Well, what a position to be in. They just need to perform well in this second half. And as you said, they will be the champions. And fully deserved, I would say. They've been excellent this season.
Astaga. Weh, derby saudara di atas itu bro. Persebaya versus Persib. Persebaya unggul 1-0 dan Persis Solo imbang 1 sama ya atas Arema. Kemudian Dewa United versus Persija nih. 1-0. Dewa menang.
Plenty to consider based on what we've
Farhan
seen so
Rahman.
far as the second half
Ilham Fatoni.
begins.
Oke, Zulkifli Syukur.
Crisp tackling. Useful looking position, you've got to say. And the flag does go up. Must have been close.
Offside bro. Nah,
Vision.
masuk. Yes. Come on.
3 goals in front now. An immense performance.
Marinus Manewar.
Well, here's the goal again. And what a wonderfully weighted pass this is. And then the finish is fairly simple in the end. That's a good goal.
Good job. Marinus Manewar lagi-lagi. Nambah keunggulan untuk PSM Makassar.
Is Is this going to be a thrashing? 3-0 now.
Abdul Rahman, Guido. Oh, lolos lagi Marinus.
Oh, what an opportunity.
Oh, masuk.
And I'll tell you what,
Bentar ya, saya keluar dulu bentar. Kayaknya ada tamu tuh.
who would lay a glove on them.
Well, here's the goal again, and it's a great ball to put it through. Good vision to set up the chance, and the finish is clinical. It just makes it look so easy, doesn't it?
Tunggu bentar ya. Saya pause dulu, soalnya ada urusan depan dulu. Oke, kita lanjut lagi. Sorry, tadi ada barang yang mesti saya kirimkan dan kurirnya udah datang ternyata.
And this is turning into something of a rout. 4-0.
Fendi Abelia.
So half an hour remaining.
Amri Sula.
That's excellent defending following the cross.
Udah 4-0 aja. Saya bakal naikin Morukawa ke tengah sini ya, ke camp. Kemudian Sutanto masuk. Di Ferdinand Sinaga juga masuk sih, ganti Marinus dulu. Orza Firdaus, waalaikumsalam, halo.
Well, the visitors, as you can see, have enjoyed so much of the
Alah.
possession. They've passed it well, their movement's been good. And they've
Pacai,
been
aduh, clean sheet dong, jangan sampai.
Oh, look at this, Stuart. An
No.
opportunity. Well, diving magnificently to make sure he got there.
Untung saja di save. Oke, pergantian pemain.
Trying to deliver it accurately. Struggling to get it away. Fine cross into the middle. Well, just the kind of save every goalkeeper would expect to make.
Oke. Zulkifli.
Well, the counter chance looks very real.
Nice. Morukawa coba syuting. Yes, 5-0, bro.
An avalanche of goals.
Taisei Marukawa. Ya, sia-sia kita majuin dia ke posisi cam ya.
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace and transition. They're so quick to get out from the back, and from there, he never looked like missing. That's a lovely goal.
Mantap. Oh, sekarang poinnya, wah saya baru perhatiin nih. Poin sekarang udah 100-an lebih ya, udah mau 200 ternyata.
Any lingering doubts about the
Gak kerasa ya.
Surely they now have been removed.
Ilham Batoni.
Rahman. Got a pass that lacks quality.
Oke, bener Flim. Aduh.
A meaty but fair challenge, and it will be a throw-in.
Fendi Abelia.
Can they create something?
No, tidak berkutik Firmansyah.
Lethal piece of finishing.
Aduh.
Drilled home with true conviction. Tremendous goal.
Well, here we can see it again, and it's all about the pace of the passing. One
Berbahaya
touch, slick
sekali
movement,
tadi.
while the movement
Farel
in the
Hidayat,
box is
semangat
equal
bang.
to it.
Siap bro, terima
Such good
kasih.
timing. What a goal.
A glut of goals. 5-1 it is. 10 minutes left for play. The right place to cut out the pass.
Fendi Abelia.
Rahman. Possession changes hands. They
Oke, Yudo.
intercept there.
Come on. Tanto Tan. Good.
Playful pass. Moving forward effectively.
Shot.
Is it a go? Tremendous block. This might be ideal for the counter. Oh, lovely incisive pass.
Farhan Rahman, no. No. No.
But perhaps a bit
Malah
too late
jebol
in
dua
this
angka, Pak.
contest. They haven't been at the races this evening.
Rahman.
Well, let's see this again. This is counter-attacking football at its very best. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
Oke, Marukawa.
So 3 minutes of stoppage time coming up. Tan. The tackle completely missed time, and you would expect a booking under the circumstances. Well, the referee has taken note of his name and number.
Well, I think he can count himself a bit unlucky there, but it was certainly a foul.
Ya kartu dong, Sid. Jelas lah. Lah. Apakah bisa kita mencetak gol?
9.000 dari Fauriza tukang cerita sedih. Pesan, nih bang tambahan donasi yang tadi pagi.
Oke, mantap. Wah,
And the referee
terima kasih Fauriza Firdaus ya donasinya. Ini donasi untuk masjid lagi.
And the celebrations can truly begin in earnest now. They are the champions.
Mantap.
And no doubt about it, they've been the best team this season and they fully deserve this title. What a brilliant achievement for everybody involved with this club.
Well, the celebration